Hello everyone, this is Zhe from Xinhua. Today I'm here in Bologna, Italy to take you on a tour of the world's most important children's book fair, Bologna Children's Book Fair. This event brings together publishers, illustrators and authors all around the world. This is the most creative spot at the Bologna Children's Book Fair, the Illustrators' Wall. Every year, artists from all over the world showcase their work here, hoping to catch the attention of publishers, editors, and agents.
我是一名童书作者，也是插画师。然后我在意大利出版了3本插画书，希望能通过我的书好好传播我们中国的文化。
The Chinese delegation of more than 40 Chinese publishing houses, led by the China National Publications Import and Export Corporation, is participating under the theme Reading China. The delegation has brought over 2,500 titles and is organizing a range of cultural exchange activities to showcase the creativity and international reach of Chinese children's publishing.
This is a moment when we can build bridges, and this is the base of international relations. This is even more true for children. The more we invest in the childhood, the better it is, for future good relations among world people.
I think that we are going to have even more collaborations, and let me say that having our sister office, a sister company in Shanghai helps a lot. We work with them constantly, day by day. For sure, having landed to China so early helped us a lot because now we are quite familiar with the market.
参加这次博洛尼亚书展，我们一共带来了来自国内原创的超过500种童书，其中我们重点推荐的有这一套是和联合国教科文组织共同策划的《重走丝绸之路》。
Today at the Bologna Children's Book Fair, we've seen more and more Chinese children's books reaching the global market and heard insights from the industry professionals about global cooperation. Hopefully, more great Chinese stories will be shared with the world in the future.